think Veeam is a great solution for service providers to sell. For its ease of use, the program that Veeam has works very well for service providers, and we have a great partnership with Veeam, so they're a great company to work with.
So prior to getting Veeam, we had challenges trying to meet our backup RTO and RPO. Once we purchased Veeam, we were able to meet our backup windows and those requirements. So Veeam is very easy to use. A lot of just clicks to get the workload done. I would say that it makes IT work and administration a no-brainer.
Veeam has enabled us to enable the users to actually monitor their own backups, get some good reporting, and really we've just turned it into end user servicing, because Veeam took us from either untested or unrecoverable backups to stable backups, replication, and ease of not having to worry about it.
We had a customer, which was healthcare. They had gotten struck with ransomware on one of their servers, and with the replication module, we were able to restore them within about 30 minutes and have their whole virtual backup and running without any loss of time.